Hi, I'm Will Lund and welcome to LundHalsey. Today I'm delighted to show you our brand new console, OPTIMA. We developed this over 2 years with our product design company. We've been doing this for 43 years, but it was about time that we developed something that was a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, unique in its design and its functionality. So the first product we're going to be showing you today is OPTIMA Float. The reason we're calling it Float is you'll see it has a floating effect. It looks like it shouldn't be able to stand up, a bit like modern architecture. So for your power distribution needs on the work surface, we have what we call the Control Touch. The simple flick of a wrist, it's open, available, power, data, whatever you need. And then again, it's now gone. At the back of the console, we have what we call the OPTIMA Canvas. So this is the OPTIMA Canvas. We've called it the Canvas because you can use any material you want. You could have LED wall displays, branding, acoustic material, pretty much anything you like, hence canvas. Because when you walk into a control room, the first thing you see is potentially the monitor wall, nice and bright. The second thing you're going to look at is the furniture. So we wanted to make something that was not only high quality, which is what we're renowned for, functionality, cable management, holding the technology, but the wow factor. So within this console, you have rack mounting. You can make it any shape and size you like. If you don't have the facility to bolt this to the floor, we have a new system which we patented where it can be actually attached to the raised floor. Now, if those options are not available, you can in fact have the freestanding, which we call OPTIMA Free, as in freestanding. So half of what we do is obviously making exceptional furniture. The other half is about the design process and project management, how we can help you from start to finish on every project. If you were to send us your room plans, equipment details, within 48 hours, you'll receive technical drawings. 24 hours later, you'll receive 3D renders. All free of charge. You can then take them to your meeting prepared and make it a point of discussion. Now, in the last 2 years, we've also developed in-house, with our own developer, virtual reality control rooms. Now, there's a link to this on our website, but effectively, we can design the whole control room and you can physically walk around the whole space without having to actually manufacture it. So all operators, project managers can actually see exactly what they're going to get before they press go, order, manufacture, and be received. If you need any more information, my name is Will Lund. The website is www.lundhalsey.com. It's been a great show here at ISE in Barcelona, and I look forward to hearing from you.